When it comes to mortgages, credit scores work in tiers, and this is what I mean by that. Anything over 760 is considered to have excellent credit, and that will get you the best interest rates possible, even access to more loan programs. Now, the next tier down is FICOs between 720 and 759. This tier is still considered pretty good and will usually get you great interest rates and access to many benefits. Now, one step down below, between 700 and 719, makes up another tier, and we find the good tier of credit scores. In this one, we're gonna find some negative adjustments to the interest rate, so your rate might actually be a little bit higher than somebody who has a 750 credit score, and that's totally fine. It's still a pretty good credit score, and you are gonna be in a pretty good position of getting a mortgage. Now, below that one, you kind of get into those that may not get you greatest things. So between 680 and 699, your credit score is considered to being okay. That's not great, but it's also not that bad. It's just simply good enough to get you to qualify. Now, depending on the program, you may have to pay additional fees, or your interest rate will likely be a little bit higher than if you were in the 700. And below this one, between 640 and 679, your FICO is just simply okay. Kind of hanging on by a very thin thread, because you're going to be limited to fewer programs. You're not going to have many options available as someone who has a 680 plus credit score. And also, you may have to pay additional fees depending on the type of program that you do, and the rates may be substantially higher. And below this one, we have between 620 and 639. So right here, you're really just barely hanging on. You're still going to be able to qualify, but the rates and fees will be higher. And one last one below this one, between 580 to 619, is considered to be a very poor credit score. And you're going to be needing some serious help to get a mortgage. You may still be able to qualify, because normally a 580 credit score is the lower credit score that you need in order to qualify. But don't really expect great terms or great interest rates with a 580 credit score. So the question, what is a good credit score to get a mortgage? Honestly, that depends on your financial and personal situation, because having a great credit score over 760 will open doors to you having the lowest interest rates and the lowest fees, but not having it should not really stop you from becoming a homeowner. However, you really want to understand these tiers, because you can work on them over time. In this way, you can get yourself into a much better position so that you can get into the better terms and the better interest rates possible when getting a mortgage.